just to give thanks for life. Know how to move, cause I know sacrifice. Lose control, still hold on tight. Won't be the only time. Yep, so welcome back to my channel. I was looking for tutorials to this song and I didn't find one, so I think I figured it out and I'm going to just put one out there and help somebody else. If you figure out a better way or easier way to play this, leave something in the comments. I'd like to watch your video as well and figure it out. Now, this is not the easiest song to play or to teach, so I'm going to try my best and just let me know what you think or what I could do better to help you out. Now, to start it, you need to do the minor 7 shape. Now, again, I don't know chord names. I play by listening, so just follow through like finger placements and I describe it and you'll figure it out. So the minor 7 shape, but then start on the 6th fret. So you block everything on the 6th fret. You have your middle finger on the 2nd string, and then you have your ring finger on the 4th string. Now that part has the hammer on, right? So you would hear the, and all they're really doing is just hammering on this twice. So right, so you just want to do that, hammer on twice, right? And all I'm doing with this finger is arpeggiating, right? So play everything like one string at a time, like 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. I do it picking out the strings, but that's the main thing. So anyway, okay, and then the next chord is on the 8th string. So go to the 8th string, act like you're about to play the major chord. So straight line and then like a T. So straight line and have your middle finger on the third string, your ring finger on the 5th string, and on the 4th string, and your ring finger on the 2nd string. Now we're actually going to change this shape a bit. So you'd move this index finger, move it up by 1, so it's on the 8th fret. And then, so you have 8 frets, and then you also have your pinky. You're going to stretch it so that it comes to the 11th fret. So now you have 8 frets for the pointing finger. You have 8 frets, 3rd string for your middle finger. You have 9th frets, 4th string for your ring finger, and your pinky is stretched all the way to the 11th. So what that sounds like when you put it together is this. Right? And then after that, you want to lay down your fingers on the 7th. So lay everything down here and actually do the original major shape, the major chord shape, right? So lay everything down on the 7th, have your middle finger on the 3rd, your ring on the 4th, 9th fret, and then your pinky on the 2nd 9th fret, so major shape, and then do it. But this is really fast, so if you listen to it, you have do 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 do, and then before you kind of like rest, it moves on to something else. So it's right, so it's, and so what you want to do is when you lay down on the 7th fret to the major shape, quickly you switch 1 fret down and then go back to that minor shape we started off with. So block everything on 6, put this middle finger on 2, put this ring finger on 4, and then catch it. Like pull all the strings. So if you see, I'm pulling all the strings at that point.
All right, let's actually break it down, start over again. So it starts off where we're at right now, 6th fret, then move it down, like I said, and then do that shape. Now the minor one we talked about, or the major one we talked about. So then pull it again, then arpeggiate again. However, when you do it the last time, right? So we've gone from, then we moved up here and we did this. Then we've gone to the major, then pulled it. Now the last arpeggiation, we're going to do something with the pinky. We're going to do. Now what that is it's still the same minor shape you started off with, 1, 2, 3. However, you're going to place this pinky on the 9th fret and slide it to the 11th. But then that's only after you've arpeggiated. So okay, everything you're doing on this finger is the arpeggiation, so just pum 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 pum, like you're touching all the strings you're playing top to bottom, pum 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 pum. On the fingers, you just need to be aware of the placement. So again, start from here, hammer on this one. So and then you move on here, do that shape, then the major shape, catch it, and then all right, so that's it. When you put it together, it's what you hear. And if I'm lying, not the easiest to teach. I hope this kind of helps somebody else. If you figure out a better way, let me know. But for now, there's nothing online, so I thought I'll put that in there and let me know what you think.